Bold claim, Neuralink just hired a top FDA regulator, blurring the line between government oversight and private biotech ambition. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this move a smart step toward clinical progress, or a risk to regulatory independence that could shape policy in unforeseen ways? Elon Musk's Neuralink has announced the appointment of a high-ranking U.S. health regulator to spearhead its medical affairs department. David McMullen, a veteran executive from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, will be leading Neuralink's medical affairs division, according to Neuralink's official communications. McMullen most recently directed the FDA's Office of Neurological and Physical Medicine Devices, a team responsible for the full life cycle review of medical devices like Neuralink's brain implant. This role aligns with the company's ongoing clinical ambitions, especially as Neuralink has disclosed progress in its brain-computer interface (BCI) program. The hiring is notable because it brings a prominent government official into Musk's orbit, following a broader year in which the administration pressed for cost-cutting in regulatory review. Earlier this year, regulators overseeing Neuralink and other medical device makers faced workforce trims, prompting the FDA to invite some scientists back to the fold after departures. McMullen's tenure at Neuralink is also tightly interconnected with the company's broader ecosystem. He has long-standing ties with Neuralink leadership and previously worked in a neuroscience lab at Duke University, collaborating with researchers who later joined Neuralink's ranks. In his remarks, McMullen described the role as a convergence of scientific rigor, direct patient impact, and the potential to accelerate progress in brain-computer interfaces. Neuralink, for its part, indicated that as of September, 12 individuals worldwide with severe paralysis had received implants and were using them to interact with digital and physical tools via thought alone. Neuralink began human trials in 2024 after addressing initial safety concerns raised by the FDA, which had initially rejected the project in 2022. The company has also faced regulatory scrutiny over its animal testing practices, with earlier reports highlighting tensions around the pace and scope of experiments, including tests on primates and other animals. Reporting: Rachel Levi in Washington, with additional coverage from Mariam Sunny in Bengaluru, editing by Caroline Humer and Lincoln Feast. This piece adheres to Reuters' trust principles. What do you think about this appointment? Does bringing a former regulator into a company leadership role help or hinder independent oversight in emerging medical technologies? Share your perspective in the comments.